In the silence of the stars, I hear a whisper, a code that dances, the cosmic drifter. AI lights the path where mysteries lie, turning questions into answers, reaching the sky, uncovering the secrets of the universe with AI. We're touching the edge where galaxies collide. From atoms to galaxies, the wonders unfold, a journey of knowledge, stories untold. Unseen chaos, the unknown revealed, through lines of data, the cosmos is unsealed. Human minds and machines, hand in hand, explore